everybody. Thanks for tuning back into the Advanblack YouTube channel. Gabino, we made it to South Dakota.
Yeah.
Woo! Alrighty, we are here. We're gonna stop and see
mammoths.
Mammoth, like the big woolly beast.
Yeah, you know, with the horns, the fossils and everything. I'm a big nerd, so I really like that kind of stuff. So we're specifically making that stop for me, and then we're gonna be in Rapid City.
Rapid City, baby.
Yeah.
We'll get there, help set up the booth, get things rocking and rolling. Tomorrow, come and see us at Advanblack booth. If you're just stumbling around today, walking around, come check us out. Yep. Hey, if you have not checked our previous episodes, make sure that you go back and watch them. It has been one heck of an awesome road trip to get here, and that's what we wanted to do. We wanted to give you, our customers, our followers, our fans, our friends, let you guys know our experience, and then you can join in virtually. So if you're gonna be around, make sure you stop and see us. Can't wait. Look!
Bikes in the wild!
In the wild! It must mean we're close to Sturgis.
We are. Look at all these bikes right here. Oh, I see a beautiful one right here. Look.
Oh, shut up.
Look at Reef Blue and Black Road Glide Special 2022.
He got speakers in his lids.
He does have speakers in his lids.
Man, limited 114. Man, these are some nice bikes. There's even an Indian Pursuit.
That's right. And they were smart. They parked in the shade.
That's right. Bikers, we're smart like that. We don't mess around. Man, check out this seat. I think he took it off one of the woolly mammoths.
He probably did. Look at that.
Dude, that thing is comfortable. There's another guy. I think he's got, is it the wild ass seat or is it the, which one is it? I don't know, but it looks comfy.
Those are very comfy.
All right, let's do this.
Let's go.
Gabino, I thought the footprints would be a little bit bigger than that.
You would think so, right?
I think we're supposed to follow him.
We are.
You're in heaven right now.
I am in heaven.
All right, good.
And when they said they were still digging them, I was like, nah, they can't be still digging them. They're literally in the dirt, digging the bones. And it's so awesome because they didn't plan it like this. Like you could see different bones all over the place, and it's the small little details of it, and it's amazing. I am extremely happy right now. This is my happy place.
So did they build a building around this site?
Yes.
That's what they did?
Yep. So instead of, you know, so they don't have to work in this heat, cool temperature, you know, take their time to take out the bones as they needed to, but.
So did you do a little research? Do you know why here?
I did not know why here.
Okay.
I did not have a chance. We were just kind of driving by, I saw a sign and I pulled over. I kind of do the same thing with ice cream too.
We made it.
Black Hills Harley.
Black Hills Harley, here it is. Look behind us, as you can probably already hear the different sounds, right? There's all kinds of motorcycles. And you know what? That made Alex so happy. He's finally seeing motorcycles. There are so many already packed. Again, it doesn't start officially till tomorrow, Friday, but we're here. We're here early. Yeah, we're here early, getting the tent set up. And man, we're excited to start meeting people, talking about our products, any potential collaborations, partnerships. I think it's gonna happen here.
I think so too. I think, you know, it's a great group of people right here, and you know, we'll start talking to some of them and just enjoy the day.
It is, I'm looking forward to it. Yeah. So now we're gonna take off, we're gonna jump on the bikes, and we're gonna go scout rides for more content for you to be able to see. So just not the show, but we wanna get out and about because there is some beautiful country riding, Needles Highway, going through tunnels.
That's true. I can't wait for Needles Highway. I think I was pretty excited. What is your favorite spot to go riding here in Sturgis? How far? Do we need to go far?
All right, so like Gabino said, go ahead, put in the comments your favorite places to ride at Sturgis, places to eat, right?
Places to eat.
I knew it.
Let me know.
Favorite places to eat, favorite places to ride. Put them in the comments. Keep following us. We'll see you later.
Yep.
Oh, what's up, man? All right, man. Look pretty good, you said?
We want to give you some bagels. Little gift, little neighborly gift. Since we're gonna be here.
We got something for you too.
You see, you already tried to eat it.
Someone already took a bite out of it. They're like, yeah, we're good.
Thanks, man. We appreciate it.
You guys doing all right?
You know, it's just hot. How you
Yeah,
guys?
yeah. We just rolled in, and that's we saw us just pull up and unload.
Set up the ride.
Yeah, we're gonna actually take off now and go to Sturgis, do a few like.
Is it closed down?
No, we got people that always be there, but
you guys
we're gonna go do content.
Yeah.
So we're gonna try and find some needles and do some fun things.
Where did you bring me?
I brought you to Taco John's. Listen, a buddy of mine owns one of these.
Okay. So we're in South Dakota. And we're getting Taco John's. It couldn't be named Tacos Juan. It's Tacos John.
John, yeah. The nacho cheese is killer.
What is this?
These are the potatoes. They're amazing. Steak tacos, street tacos. These aren't just the regular.
Oh look, they have a churro.
That's mine. Don't be eating my churro. Do you even know where you came from?
Sure do.
Street tacos. Even comes with a lime. Get your own potatoes. What is your deal?
right, so we're gonna go to the vendor dinner? Dinner and drinks?
What do we call it, Eddie? What is this?
Vendor dinner.
Vendor dinner.
Vendor dinner.
Vendor dinner. I think I heard barbecue.
I don't know what it is.
Barbecue, drinks, alcohol.
It's an opportunity for you to mingle with the other vendors and make relationships with those as well.
Sweet. In line here. Salad.
Salad. Actually, I'm looking forward to salad today.
Yeah, because, I mean, you're like a rabbit.
I am.
Skinny like a rabbit.
I don't know about skinny like a rabbit, but I'm definitely eat like a rabbit.
And this cameraman, I'm going to get him an extra piece if you can throw it on there for me. I promise I won't eat it. You're wonderful.
Is that enough? Half dollar.
Nah, this will be plenty. Thank you so much. Are you next to Factory 47? Just 2 rows in, maybe?
Yeah.
Alrighty, I am here with Al from Black Hills Harley. Al, tell us a little bit how long you've been here, how long's the rally been happening? I know it's been 84 years, right?
The rally's been 84 years, started in 1938, missed a couple years in the war, and been running every year since then. It's 84, next year's 85th, big one coming. I've only been here 25.
25 years?
25 of those years, yeah.
All right, tell me a highlight over the 25 years that you can think of.
Oh my goodness, a highlight. Well, one highlight was right behind you, 2 propane tanks went up in fire from one of the food vendors. And the tents were going on fire and everybody wanted to jump in and pull stuff out. And I'm trying to pull people, like, do not get near that fire.
Oh.
wait for the fire department. And they got here and put it out. And it didn't end up to be a major catastrophe. But when you're sitting with 500 motorcycles or more full of gasoline and a propane fire going 25 feet away, you get a little nervous.
I bet your insurance company did too.
They don't know.
So what's a personal, yeah, they do now, Al, just so you know.
Yeah.
Statute of limitations, maybe? So what about you? What's your personal favorite thing about the rally?
You know, my personal favorite thing, I think, is at the end of the day, we start, you know, I get here about 6:37. At the end of the day, hours end at 8, but we might be here at 10:30, and it's walking the lot afterwards. And everything's calmed down. The days are busy, they're hectic. We've got a chance to help a lot of people have a great experience. And if we weren't here, it might not be that well for them. We take care of them, we take care of their service needs, we take care of clothing needs, we take care of riding needs. We're just here to kind of take care of the rider who's come from all around the country, and in some cases all around the world, to be here. And we kind of take it personal. It's our job to help them have a great experience and keep them riding.
Alrighty, so you tell me what your role is here and how long you've been in that role. What's your job in that role?
Well, right now my role is general manager.
GM.
GM, and for 25 years, for 24 of those years, I was the owner and managing partner here. And we sold out to Sonic Automotive a year ago. And so now I'm the GM. They've been a great company. They haven't sent anybody here to take over and tell us what to do. They said, you guys know this better than anyone. Keep doing it like you're doing it. And so that's my job now, is to keep this moving forward for them.
It sounds like smart managing. Trusted to the people that know what they're doing.
Yep, they know what they're doing, and we do too.
That is good. All right, so can you tell me why Sturgis? Why did they, 84 years ago, why did it start here?
You know, it started with Pappy Hoyle and the Indian dealership in Sturgis. He wanted an event to try to, started the Sturgis Rally and Races. He wanted a racing event. He used to, in his backyard, his wife, Pearl, would make sandwiches for the 200 people that came and feed them in the backyard, and they'd take tours up to Mount Rushmore on gravel roads because there was no hardtop in those days. And it just kind of grew from there. It became part of the soul of riding. People started coming from farther and farther away to experience the great ride. The Black Hills is riding like no other place in the country. And people started to discover that and come here and come for that riding. And it just grew upon that. ultimately, this is a riding rally. You can go to other rallies and it's park your bike on Main Street and drink beer all day. And there's some of that goes on here. But there is a lot of riding because there's great riding here. A lot of other rallies, they're stuck, they're stuck close to urban areas. It's no fun. And here, so we call this the Riders Rally. People who really love to ride, this is their destination.
Al, thank you so much. I'm so glad that we ran into you. I don't know that we probably would have caught you, so we wanted to take advantage of this opportunity.
Yep,
so,
well, thanks a lot. Glad to visit with you.
Left hand shake.
Yeah, left hand shake. Make this a yearly habit. Be back here every year, and I'll see you next year.
Sounds great. Thank you, Al. All righty, we are ending the day. We made it to Sturgis, and just check out this sunset. We are at the Rapid City Airport, and as we were pulling in, I noticed all of these semis. The semis that people have their bikes shipped here, fly into Rapid City, get their bikes, and head to Sturgis. I know we've talked about Trailer Queen, but this is like the elite level of Trailer Queen. This is like, wow, I don't know what kind of money it takes to do it, but it definitely is efficient. So I've heard about it for snowmobiles. I didn't realize or didn't think about it. I guess motorcycles, very similar to snowmobiles. Us in the Midwest, we throw our sleds on a truck and trailer and ship them out west and then fly in and grab our sleds and go. But it's the same thing for bikes, I guess. So there's probably 16 semi-trucks, trailers, and probably, I don't know, close to maybe 100 or so motorcycles. Man, this is cool. So our management team is about ready to fly in. So we're here to pick them up. We're gonna take them back to the Airbnb. We're gonna sit down, schedule it out, and start the rest of our week. So make sure to stay tuned. Thanks for joining Advanblack. We'll see you soon. Hi, Jessica. We missed you.
Oh my God. We are here.
You made it.
What's going on?
I'll take your bag.
Thank you.
Oh,
We had to change gates 7 times.
what?
Not once, not twice, 7. It was 23, 41, 61. 23.
So what you're saying is you got your exercise?
Yes.
Oh, good. You're not going to get any exercise at Sturgis because it's really small and there's only one spot. I'm just kidding.